morning.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
It is 6 a.m. on day 3. We've got about 25 kilometers down. And today we're doing a short day of about 12 kilometers. Checking in to the refuge in Roncesvalles, however you say it. Last night was awesome. It felt like college. Everybody getting assigned their dorm. Everybody going down to the bar and having beers in the sun. And then we had dinner included in our stay at a nearby restaurant with free wine. Life is good on the Camino. We're having a good time.
Last shoes left on the shelf. Not surprised.
Be slow.
We are so slow.
There's the sign, guys. 790 kilometers to Santiago. You know,
Here we go.
Well, it wouldn't be a day on the Camino if we weren't backtracking.
Nope.
The town that we were going to have breakfast in this morning, everything is closed, I guess because it's Sunday. But we passed a place that looked open about 10 minutes up the road. So we're backtracking.
Yep.
We're freaking hungry. This whole hike, I'm so hungry. Thank God this place was open because we threw away our dusty granola last night like idiots.
Dusty.
We're real rookies.
Yeah. Anyway, so this is a perfect example of a really good travel rule called bird in hand. When something is there that you want, take it, even though it might not be what you think is the best
We
option.
usually stick to it, but we didn't this time. And we learned to regret
Paid
it.
the price. We had to walk back again.
We're there.
Okay.
Are we having a standoff?
I think so. Better watch it. So with karaoke, is friends in low places, although a crowd pleaser, just kind of cheating?
Why would it be cheating?
Because it's easy to sing and it really gets everyone going, you know?
How do you know if it's easy to sing? You've never sung it.
Well, I don't know, I just don't belong. But hey, we've been there before.
Oh, that is pretty good. Got our chorizo for €1, our cheese for €1.20, some bread, and some sour candy. Not gonna lie, guys, I'm struggling through day 3. It is about 11:30. We are halfway done with our kilometers for the day, but my legs are so sore from yesterday. Feeling a bit dizzy. Oh, hello.
Well, I didn't mean to cause a big scene. Just give me an hour and then. So I decided today that I wish my feet had mouths that I could pour coffee into them. They'd be like little fish mouths on the front of every toe.
I hate fish mouths, so I'm disgusted by the concept.
But I love coffee, so
Wiggle your toes.
wiggle, wiggle.
Last one to show was the last one you thought you'd see there. Okay, zombie apocalypse.
Uh-huh.
Would you rather be the first person to turn into a zombie or the last person to turn into a zombie?
The last.
Why?
'Cause I don't want to be a zombie.
But then you have to run for your life and be afraid of being eaten in your final days.
No, but it would be fun. And Walking Dead was awesome.
Depending on which character you are.
Well, I'd be Rick, obviously. Now you gotta dance. Well, you can't see both of us.
So it is just before 2. Today's 12 kilometers took us 6 hours with our little setback for food. We decided to treat ourselves to a private room, which
so nice.
which is really exciting. I've been sleeping well in the albergues, but not really down with the 5:30 a.m. wake-ups, especially when we're hiking shorter days than most people. Most people continue on from this town about 10 more kilometers today, but we kind of feel like this pace is perfect. We put in a good workout. We're super sore and ready to relax and save our feet from blisters. So, cheers to arriving. Look at how happy Reese is.
We have a balcony with horses.
But you'll never hear me complain.